So today, are we going back that route that we done yesterday?
We're going back that route,
Just
and I'm not going to go down that road
to
again.
see what Grace missed on that route.
She missed the sign on the sign that says "Don't go down here."
The sign that said no entry.
Yeah. What else?
What does a no entry sign look like?
Well, it's round, isn't it? Red border round. Because it's given an order.
Yeah. What's the middle bit look like?
What's the middle bit look? Oh shit! It's. No. Or does it say no entry?
No.
Hold on. Oh, is it Don't come down.
No.
I'm gonna hate this.
How do you not know what a no entry sign doesn't look like?
Hold on, I've definitely seen one before. Did it just say no entry in the middle?
No.
Is it the blue one with red?
Red with a white brick.
Actually, red with a white brick.
Let me get me trusty book out called
How gas then you just saying
Know Your Traffic Signs.
They have priority.
They do. Let's have a look.
With a brick, I've definitely seen a no entry sign before.
Let's see. Can we see anyone?
Oh! I know that bitch! I know that bitch.
White brick?
Okay, so I can see a head and no entry sign.
You can see a head?
Yep.
Where's the head? So we've got signs here now.
Signs, 30.
Yeah, this one's flashing, so that's going to be active now because there are children around.
Yeah, so stay at 20.
And then one of them two signs over there.
No entry.
And what's that blue one telling you to do?
I'll go this way.
So follow it round. And then end the road, we're turning right.
Mirrors. Can I go right? I'm going to signal.
What gear do you want for the end?
I'm going to clutch. I'm going to start braking. I probably should have done that the other way around.
So you can see you've got a set of lights there and a set of lights here. So they may change and stop the traffic briefly, yeah?